All right, we're all spelling every number, aren't we, to figure out if that's right? It's true. Our fact checkers put the facts on the show. All right, welcome back to Western New York Living. Now, here's a complicated question for you, more complicated than figuring out which numbers in alphabetical order. Have you ever wondered why we never talk about summer cleaning or fall cleaning or winter cleaning? Well, if you dread spring cleaning, which we all need to do, or maybe just cleaning in general, my next guests are here to help. Join us this morning from Custom Made Cleaning Incorporated, are Colleen Gasparo and Miranda Giglio. Thank you both for being here. Good to see you again.
Nice to see you.
We never talk about summer or fall cleaning.
Yeah, we get a lot of it though.
Yeah, you need to do it, right?
With weddings and things like that. Yeah, we do.
Let's talk about residential cleaning, Colleen, because it's a task, especially those of us with kids, family, sports, the mud coming in. I mean, it's hard to keep clean.
I know. No one really has. You're so busy. Your lives are so busy. You just don't have the time for that kind of stuff. And you can maybe do the day-to-day or the week-to-week cleanings, but when it comes to like spring cleaning, that's a little bit more down and dirty. And you might need a little bit more help with that. And that's what we do. So
yeah, it's a deep cleaning, right? The spring cleaning.
Yes. We get things like your woodwork, baseboards, your kitchen cabinets, vanities, interior windows. We can even do the exterior if they fold in. Like a really high dusting, things like that that you really just don't even think about, but those are the kinds of things we can do.
Yeah, the nooks and crannies that catch the road salt that comes off your shoe from the winter and all that stuff.
Yes.
Miranda, let's talk about office cleaning. A lot of people have returned to the office, therefore offices are getting dirtier.
Yes, yeah, so we do clean offices as well, and for us, like, we treat an office like a home. So we'll come in and clean your office for you. Yeah.
And that's something you put on a regular schedule now too, as more employees are back to the office?
Yep, we can clean, we have a lot that we do 5 days a week, or we can do 1 day a week, bi-weekly, monthly, however you want it.
All right, this is graduate season, and some folks are planning graduation parties. You can help them prepare grad parties, much like you'd clean an office space. But here's my question, really. Can you clean out after, let's say, the graduate goes to college in the summer? Can you just clean everything out so they don't come home? That's more of a personal question.
Yeah.
All right,
I don't know about that. We could definitely clean it, but.
I'm kidding there, but how far in advance should someone schedule? If they're having a grad party, they want it maybe cleaned before and after the party, how far in advance?
I would think the more notice, the better. We normally book 2 weeks in advance for something like that. If you want to ensure that, we can come and clean before or after the party, or even when your son or daughter move out, we can clean their room out for you. We could do that too. But yeah, maybe about a month in advance, something like that. We can certainly, then get you on our schedule.
I'm just kidding, Alex. I'm kidding. Okay, Mother's Day. It's coming up here. Gift certificate, great gift.
Oh, please. Honestly, this is such a great investment. Your family will love it, whoever you give it to. The turnover on these are, we get about 99.9% of them back. We keep track of it. There's a log, everything, but you'd be so surprised how many of these are turned in. And you have up to a year to to turn them in, so you can use them. If you receive it on Mother's Day, you can use it at Christmas time. But it's not just for mothers, aunts, grandmas, daughters, a neighbor that could use the help, an uncle, anybody that you want in your life is really a special friend. This is a perfect gift for anybody. It just gives them time to do things that they really want to do instead of doing the cleaning. So it makes a huge difference in their lives. You'd be surprised. We hear that all the time.
You mentioned time. Time's a great commodity. Can't often buy it. This is a chance to buy time for Mother's Day. And they are insured, and their team, as you saw in the video, coming in there. So Custom Made Cleaning Incorporated, a premier house and office cleaning service that has been in business our area for over 35 years. So they've been doing it right. To find out more about all the services they provide and to receive a free estimate, head to their website at custommade-inc.com. You can also give them a call at 775-0820 to set up an appointment. And right now, if you sign up for a weekly or bi-weekly service, you're going to receive $10 off your first 5 cleanings. How about that? And gift certificates are available. Great gift for Mother's Day.